What's going on, everybody? It's your boy D-Mo, right back here again with another video. Unboxing time. Y'all know what time it is. It's unboxing time. Today we got another Nike box. The SNKR Gods have been blessing me. Like, thank you, Nike, Nike store, sneakers, whoever. Thank you again. I really appreciate it. Cause I don't know how I keep winning. Everybody tells me to play the lottery because I keep getting lucky. So what we finna do is unbox this box from Nike. So let's get it. Yeet. Alright, so that being done. There you go. And to let y'all know again, receipt. Gotta cover that up though, because we don't want no addies being found out. You already know is you're official when you get the Nike quality airbag head. I ain't head. But today, my boys, today my girls, today my favorite audiences, or my favorite subscribers and my viewers. Today, y'all know I'm with 11.5, but you can see a little bit. Wait a minute. There we go. You see a little bit 11.5. Y'all know. I don't wear 11.5. I wear 10.5 and 11, but that means this is a women's shoe. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. We legit got the stamp. Y'all finna see is that your boy got lucky with the Satin Air Jordan 1s, baby. These mugs are beautiful. Like, we got these at the store, but when I tell y'all for real, like, I think these look good in big sizes. Like, oh my, this looks beautiful. On thumbnail. Alright, so yeah, these are beautiful. The only thing that's really satin though is the back, which is cool. I wish they would have did like the shattered backboard satins, like the Jumpman. This is okay. I don't mind it, but I prefer like how the satins had it, like, I guess, like stitched in on the back. So that's what I would prefer. But besides that, it's pretty neat. The inside satin as well. You got the leather right here, leather on the toe box. These things are beautiful. Yes, they're beautiful. Got your white black on the insole. And we all know how much these go for right now, like literally. I gotta get this little fur off of it. Alright, there you go. Had to get that little cut off. But yeah, got these from Nike. Shout out to the SNKR Gods. Thank you again. So you know we finna get into some B-roll. Y'all already know. Happy I got these. Yeah. So I will see y'all on the next one. Holla at me, or holla at your boy. We out.